Hello and welcome. Daily use sentences number 14. I won't take a loan. I will not take a loan. मैं कर्ज नहीं लूंगा. मैं कर्ज नहीं लूंगा. मैं is I, कर्ज is loan, नहीं is not, लूंगा is will take. नहीं लूंगा is will not take or won't take. He won't keep quiet anymore. He won't keep quiet anymore. वह अब चुप नहीं रहेगा. वह अब चुप नहीं रहेगा. वह is he, अब is now. Okay, but here it gives the meaning of anymore. चुप रह is keep quiet. चुप रह is keep quiet. चुप रहेगा is will keep quiet. चुप रहेगा is will keep quiet. चुप नहीं रहेगा is will not keep quiet. चुप नहीं रहेगा is will not keep quiet. We won't keep bad company. We won't keep bad company. हम खराब संगति नहीं रखेंगे. हम खराब संगति नहीं रखेंगे. हम is we, खराब is bad, संगति is company, नहीं is not, रख is keep, रखेंगे is will keep. रख is keep, रखेंगे is will keep, नहीं रखेंगे is will not keep. Okay? It won't go with him. It won't go with him. यह उसके साथ नहीं जाएगा. यह उसके साथ नहीं जाएगा. यह is it. उसके साथ is with him. Okay? उसके him साथ with. जा is go. जाएगा is will go. नहीं जाएगा is will not go. Okay? They won't work in that factory. They won't work in that factory. वे उस कारखाने में काम नहीं करेंगे. वे उस कारखाने में काम नहीं करेंगे. वे is they, उस is that, कारखाने is factory, में is in, काम कर is work, काम करेंगे is will work, काम नहीं करेंगे is will not work. Okay? I will never go against my parents. I'll never go against my parents. मैं अपने माता पिता के खिलाफ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं अपने माता पिता के खिलाफ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं is I, अपने is my, माता पिता is parents, के खिलाफ is against, कभी नहीं is never, जाऊंगा is will go. कभी नहीं जाऊंगा is will never go. She will never deceive her friends. She'll never deceive her friends. वह अपने दोस्तों को कभी धोखा नहीं देगी. वह अपने दोस्तों को कभी धोखा नहीं देगी. वह is she, अपने is her, दोस्तों को is friends, कभी नहीं is never, धोखा देगी is will deceive. धोखा देगी is will deceive, कभी नहीं is never. कभी धोखा नहीं देगी is will never deceive. Okay? We will never use abusive language. Will never use abusive language. हम कभी भी अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. हम कभी भी अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. हम is we. कभी भी नहीं is never. कभी नहीं is never, but here adding भी gives the meaning of never ever. Okay, कभी भी नहीं never ever. Use is प्रयोग कर. Okay, प्रयोग कर is use. Abusive is अभद्र. Language is भाषा. We will never make use of abusive language. That is the translation of this sentence. Okay, कभी भी प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे is will never use. Next, he'll never take alcohol or liquor, or he will never drink alcohol or liquor. वह कभी भी शराब नहीं लेगा और वह कभी भी शराब नहीं पिएगा. वह is he. कभी भी नहीं is never. शराब is alcohol or liquor. लेगा is will take. पिएगा is will drink. You can use this or this. Okay, लेगा is will take. पिएगा is will drink. कभी भी नहीं लेगा is will never take. कभी भी नहीं पिएगा is will never drink. He'll never take a bribe. He will never take a bribe. वह कभी रिश्वत नहीं लेगा. वह कभी रिश्वत नहीं लेगा. वह is he. कभी नहीं is never. रिश्वत is bribe. लेगा is will take. Will take is लेगा. कभी नहीं लेगा is will never take. Okay. Next, I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. मैं is I. सुबह is a.m. सुबह is morning, but it gives the meaning of a.m. here. 6 is 6. बजे is o'clock. उठता हूँ is get up. Okay. मैं उठता हूँ is I get up. At 6 a.m. is सुबह 6 बजे. He goes to college at 9:30. He goes to college at 9:30. वह 9:30 बजे कॉलेज जाता है. वह 9:30 बजे कॉलेज जाता है. वह is he. 9:30 is 9:30. बजे is o'clock. College is college. जाता है is goes. Okay, जाता है is goes. वह जाता है is he goes. To college, college at 9:30. 9:30 बजे. All right. We take a nap in the afternoon. We take a nap in the afternoon. हम दोपहर में झपकी लेते हैं. हम दोपहर में झपकी लेते हैं. हम is we. दोपहर is afternoon. में is in. झपकी is nap. लेते हैं is take. Okay. We take is हम लेते हैं. They meet their friends in the evening. They meet their friends in the evening. वे शाम को अपने दोस्तों से मिलते हैं. वे शाम को अपने दोस्तों से मिलते हैं. वे is they. शाम को, शाम is evening, को in, शाम को in the evening. अपने their, दोस्तों is friends, से we use it with meet. मिलते हैं meet. वे मिलते हैं they meet. My parents watch TV for an hour at night. My parents watch TV for an hour at night. मेरे माता पिता रात में 1 घंटे टीवी देखते हैं. मेरे माता पिता रात में 1 घंटे टीवी देखते हैं. मेरे my माता पिता parents, माता mother, पिता father, माता पिता mother father, but here it gives the meaning of parents. रात night में at एक an घंटे our टीवी देखते हैं watch. मेरे माता पिता देखते हैं my parents watch. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. You can also watch these videos to improve your Hindi.